2 sowings today. Gonna do just a half a dozen multi-sowings of radish and beetroot. Quite big depressions because a few seeds are going in each one. I'll do radish first. These are called Sparkler 3. They're still in date, so I'm hoping they're going to be good. At least 4 in each one. Try for 5. Seeds are big enough to be able to deal with that quite easily. 5 in that. That's it. 5 in each one exactly. Won't be the last one either. Keep these going through the summer, hopefully. Beetroot's brand new packet from King Seeds, Boltardy. 3 in each one, I think. I'm not too fussed exactly how many. I think I'll go for 4 for some reason. That's it, job done. 4 of those in each. The label ready to go. Soil is quite dry actually, so I might top water the uber. I might just give them a sprinkle on the top and then bottom water them. Let me do that. This might go good or bad, I don't know. Oh, not too bad. Just try not to wash them out. Quite a rainy day today. Well, overnight. Let's just put a little top on these. They have actually been washed in, the seeds now. Who knows when these will make a showing, but hopefully they should all be good. Well, let's get them in this water bath. Right, let's try and sort out these leggy brassicas here. I've got some Brussels sprouts. I want half a dozen of these and 9 of the Clapton cauliflowers. And I see the Brussels are really leggy, but they've got the second true leaves on, so it's see what we can do with this. Try and go all the way down. These radish and beetroot are ready to come out of the water bath now. I can see them very bold. These are going to go in the greenhouse eventually. Okay, so let's have a try with these. Which is my tool of choice? I think the blunt end of this. I actually think I'm going to need to go wider with this. That's not too bad. We'll see how that goes. Got some good roots. See if I can shake it off a bit, might help. There's quite a few together here, so I'll try and separate them if I can. Yeah, that's good. That's all the Brussels sprouts done, so leave the rest in there. I think some of these are not quite ready yet, but I'm going to do it anyway. These are not quite as bad as the leggy wise as the Brussels sprouts, but the depth of these is good for this sort of thing. Just need 3 more really. If I can get them without too much damage. As long as you don't damage the stems, it should be good. That's it. Give them a bit of a soak.